Good evening and welcome to the channel. I'm on a roll tonight. I am on my third video of the evening. So you all will see this after the other two. But if you'd like to see what I'm going to capsule up next, stay tuned. I am on a roll making capsules tonight, and I'm about ready to make some capsules out of this black seed oil. I hope you all can see that. So if you'd like to see me make capsules out of this black seed oil, stay tuned. So first of all, I uncap the oil. Now I'm going to be very careful, and I'm going to move it out of the way so that I don't knock it over. Now, how I fill these up are a little bit different than how I fill the other capsules that are filled with powder. So let me show you. If you are new to this process, what I'm using is a capsule machine. This is the capsule machine. It is for 0 size capsules. That's what these are. These are 0 size gelatin capsules. So what I do is I take them apart. I put the small base on the small side and the larger or the top and the bigger base on the opposite side, on the bigger side. And I just go through here and repeat the process until I filled all 24 of this section up. So I'm going to speed you up. And if you have not seen me do this with different powders, take a look at those other 2 videos because those are interesting as well. So I'm going to speed this up and I'll be right back. Now that I have all of the capsules filled in, and I can see them because I left them raised a little bit, so all the spaces are filled in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press them down like so that they're even with this top, just like that. Just press them down. Now over here on the larger section, I have not pressed them down, but I am going to press them down as well. They should not be hard to press in. They should go in very smoothly. If they don't go in very smoothly, you have one or two things happening. You either have them on the wrong side or you have more than one in the hole. Now, I take a syringe. You can get, if you have children, small children, you may have one of these. If not, you can get them from your pharmacy. I'm not sure where else you can buy them, but this is just a small children's medicine syringe. I go inside of the liquid container. I'm going to keep it over here because I don't want to knock it over. And I put the syringe inside and I draw up some of that black seed oil, just like so. Can you all see that? And then I take it and I fill the capsule. I try to go slow so I don't overfill it. I try to get it right up to where it's right sitting at the edge, meaning flush. Try not to go over. And I just do this until I have filled all 24. And I find this to be the easiest way to fill it with the liquid. You're not necessarily overfilling or wasting any of your oil. Now, I did have a couple of drips because I was trying to show you all, but that's okay. It's not spilling everywhere. 1 or 2 drips, and I will show you how to get that up in just a moment when I am done. And you just go along and you fill them up just like so. I'm going to fill one more, and then I'm going to speed it up. But I know you all don't want to go through this entire thing with me. One more, and I'll be right back. Okay, once I've filled all of them up, and they look to be about filled to me, if I have any excess oil, I take an empty syringe and I hover it over where the oil is spilled, and I pull it back and try to suck up any of that excess oil that might have somehow dripped by mistake on the machine. And I just clean it up just like that. That by pulling up that syringe and drawing up any excess oil. Then I take it and I put it back in the jar. Now, same thing with this side. All the capsules are pushed in. You lay it on the top, pick it up, push the bottom and the top together, and you'll feel it going inside and closing itself off. I do this a couple times just to make sure that it's connected. And then I take the top and I wiggle it up slowly. Oh, a couple of them didn't do it. Let's try it again. Over here, they did not connect. Wiggle it up slowly and voila, just like so. So then you just take it, press it down, and push them out just like that. And they should all come out. If they don't, just try it again. They're all out. Now, you can buy these already capsuled. I used to buy them already capsuled, and then I realized, why would I buy an already capsuled capsule as well as a liquid, because I was buying them both. And I realized I could not take the liquid just on a teaspoon. It really messed up my stomach. I had really bad indigestion after doing that. So I went ahead on and I began to use them this way, but making my own capsules, because I already had the oil already bought. Once I used these up, I kept the jar. And so now I've just been making my own capsules. So once you do that, you give them a little push, making sure they're connected, and put it in your little container. If you don't happen to have an old capsule container, you can put it in a plastic bag like I have the empties right there. But what I found with this is you will have a little bit of air at the top. Hope you all can see that. That's normal. That is normal. Usually when you buy a capsule, it's usually filled with fillers and other things. This is straight oil. And that's how I make my black seed oil capsules. Now, if you'd like to make your own black seed oil capsules, as you can see, it's relatively quick and easy. All you need are a couple of things: your black seed oil, your empty capsules, your capsule making machine, a container or a plastic bag to keep your filled capsules in, and Bob's your uncle. So, if you like this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. I'd greatly appreciate you helping me make my channel grow. So until next time, I hope to see you either in my kitchen, my food forest, my indoor garden grow space, or wherever I am in the house making capsules. Until then, bye for now. Make your own medicine, everybody. It's quick and easy. And I feel it's cost effective. Night, everyone.